Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to change image in Canva templates. After setting Canva, we can go to left toolbar, we can find templates, click it, and then we can choose the templates. For example, I will use presentation, and then choose this one, click it, and then we can go to customize the templates. Now we can find an image here. If you want to use another image, we can go to uploads, and then we can upload the files from your hard disk, or you can upload the file from your apps. I go back and I have uploaded image before, so I have the previous image here. Now I use it, so I click it. So an image is added into this design, and I click and drag into the image frame. So we can see that the image is replaced. Now, if you want to go back to the original color, we can go to select it and then go to edit. Now we can go to adjust, and we can find that there has some adjustment about the color. So if we want to reset it, we can go to bottom, reset adjustment. So we can go back to original color of our image. So this is how we can change image in Canva templates. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.